Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited to share it with you guys. So first of all, my husband make a deal. When I was my YouTube subscriber was 500, he said that once I reach the 2000 subscriber, he will going to buy a nice camera for me. Since then, I started working, and my husband started looking up through Amazon, and before Thanksgiving, I already reached the 2000 subscriber, but my husband he waited until it's Black Friday so that he can get the discount. So yeah, I really appreciate you all guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and for helping me to get through it. And yeah, so for today's video, I am going to do the Canon EOS Rebel Sl2 package kit unboxing. So if you are interested to see what's inside of the package kit, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so here's the Canon EOS Rebel Sl2 package kit. So we will start from this. We will take this out and this plastic too. So first thing we have here, this one is a letter. It says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Our team is committed to your 100% satisfaction, and we want to know if we met that goal. If for any reason whatsoever you are not completely satisfied, please send me an email and I will do whatever I need to do to fix the problem. Your 100% satisfaction is our responsibility. I would appreciate if you could leave us a feedback by following the link below. Thank you for business, and more importantly for taking the time to share your experience with our company." Then next guys, we have this commander remote control for Canon. The next one, we have this 58mm Elite Optics Commander Pro HD Series 3-piece digital filter kit. UV ultraviolet filter, CPL circular polarizer filter, fluorescent filter. Next guys, we have this digital slave flash. This is ultra lightweight compact design. The next guys, we have this wait a minute. So next guys, we have this plastic right here, and we will open this plastic so that we can take a look what's inside of this. So guys, inside of this small plastic we have here, this one is the commander. This one is the holder for the camera. And the next one, we have this memory card. This one is 128GB. Next guys, we have here, this one is the Elite Optics Commander digital ultraviolet filter, and this one is the 58mm UV filter, so I got two of them. Then next, I got another one. So this is the SanDisk 32GB. The next, this is the card reader, where you can save all the camera, all the photos and then the videos. And the last one, we have this something like button thing. I don't know what is this. Well, I will figure it out what's this later. Then next guys, we have here this little tripod right here. I really like the color guys. Then next we have this one is, wait a minute, this one is Canon, I don't know what's this. So this one is the EF 75 to 300 millimeter lens. Next guys, we have this bag. This is for the camera, where you can put your camera here. So this is the brand name is Commander. And next guys, we have here this is, wow, I can't. So this is the camera guys. This is the EOS Rebel Sl2. So that's the picture guys. Then next guys, we have this tripod again, and then the brand name is Commander. So that's the style guys. And then the last thing guys, we have this 500 millimeter f by 8.0 multi-coated telephoto lens. I can't wait to use this guys. I'm so excited. So guys, for me, I really like this Canon Eos Rebel, and I'm so excited to use this. By the way, my husband picked the Canon Eos Rebel package kit, and he got this for only $6.99 because that was on sale. He bought this during the Black Friday, so he got the discount in it. So I will leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. By the way, I would like to say thank you to my husband for fulfilling your deal. You're such a kind and loving husband to me. You know that I love you and appreciate you. And I also thank you guys for supporting and for subscribing to my channel since day one. I really appreciate you all guys for taking the time to watch my video. So that would be all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.